I'm just a fermenting fool. Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Yeah, I've been relegated to the outside again. Of course, this is right after doing my pepperoncini video, if you've already watched that. But this is my ginger ale, homemade ginger ale, which is lightly fermented. It's only been, it was fermented for like 2.5 days and stuck in the fridge overnight. Now it's ready for trying. This one, as I mentioned in the first video about it, I went ahead and did not filter it before doing the fermentation. You know, that you make a syrup, as you saw in that video, make a syrup and then add the syrup to the water and then allow that to ferment. Well, I put the whole thing in. And so now I'm going to strain it before I drink it. And all this is doing is providing weight to keep this from flipping out. So let's see here. See if I can do this without pouring it all over the place, everywhere except in the cup. Now this is gonna need, well, no, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to get a ladle to do this, otherwise it's gonna go everywhere. The magic of editing, instantly have a ladle. Well, there's not really very many floaters on this anyway. Oops, jeez, dumped it, yeah well. Dumped it all over the place anyway. It's a smaller amount than I would have if I tried to pour. That's good for now. Let's see. Oh, delicious. Oh man. Ginger ale that actually tastes like ginger. But actually needs to be stronger. I think I will use more ginger next time. Regular ginger ale, if you gave that to kids and didn't tell them what it was, they might think it was, you know, 7-Up or lemon lime soda that was kind of off. This tastes nothing like ginger ale out of a can that you buy at the store. And it is so easy, as you can see in my previous video, which I'll put a link to in the description and a card at the end. But hey, it's so good and so easy. I don't know why I've waited, so we haven't done this in a couple of years. So, hey, do it. It's light and refreshing, and it's delicious. So, give it a try, folks. Remember, do what you can with what you have where you are. God bless y'all. See you next time.